In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the hole tool in Tinkercad. Now, it's actually super simple to understand. All you have to do is first have an object where you want to add a hole to, and then you can basically go and start adding them and customizing them the way I'm going to show you right now. So to use the hole tool, you could use any of these three over here. So as you can see, you have the box hole, you have the cylinder hole, and you have the sphere hole as well. Or you could actually turn any object into a hole, okay? So if I go and drag, for example, this polygon on here, as you can see, it's got the option to be turned into a hole. Same is gonna go for these different objects over here as well. You can change all of these into holes, okay? That's the first thing you have to know. That's how to basically enable the hole in any object you are using. But then to actually use it, we're gonna use this star for an example. You wanna click, and then of course you can turn it into a hole like this. And if you go and position this hole wherever you want on your sketch, so if I go and turn this up over here, and I'm gonna actually go here, and I'm going to position this hole about over here in the middle, so it's going to have a star in the middle of this box we have over here. You can then just go and position it however you want, and this is going to allow you to basically kind of dig or cut out a hole inside your object. So as you can see, this has now gone in here, and if I were to select both of these, so the object I want to basically make the hole in and the hole itself, you can then click the union group up top, and as you can see, there we go, the hole has been dug and cut out using the hole tool. Now you can do a bunch of different things with that. You can of course go and add as many of them as you want, so just click and turn thing into a hole, so you can turn whatever, as I said, and then of course position it however you want the hole to be, and whenever you're done, just basically highlight over these, like drag over them like this, and click on the union basically group, and there we go. As you can see, we've made a hole. So it's literally that simple to use the hole tool. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.